Hi guys, it's Donna, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to Donna's Corn-Free Cooking, where I try to teach others how to adapt recipes that have the same kind of allergies that I have to corn and its derivatives. So today what I'm making is lemon curd, and I found a recipe and it pretty much is corn-free. And I just loved that I found this. I've watched them make lemon curd, as you've probably watched a lot of different cooking shows. And when they make it, they separate their eggs. Well, this recipe, you do not separate your eggs. You put 3 eggs in this saucepan, and I always whip them up before I add anything else. And it's basically 5 ingredients. And the first ingredient, as I said, is these eggs, and it's 3 eggs. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of grated lemon zest, 3/4 cup of pure cane sugar, and to that I'm going to add 1 cup of lemon juice. Now I'm going to stir that around in there really well to make sure that it's all mixed up with the eggs, so we don't have a problem there, because eggs can curdle. And I was really worried when I first started making this. I thought surely my eggs are going to curdle, but because I whipped them so well at the very beginning and then add my other ingredients and whip them, it hasn't curdled on me yet. So now I'm going to add 1/2 cup of butter, pure butter, which is basically 1 stick. And so I'm going to cut this into little pieces, not super small, but just, you know, like if I was slicing for another dish that I was cooking, until you get it all in there. Now I'm going to turn my heat on, and it's going to be up around high just long enough to heat up the burner. Then I will turn it down to medium-low heat so that it can cook until it thickens. Now this is great on scones. It's great with cookies. It's great with anything, really. I like to make it for all the tea parties I used to have, and everyone just loves it. In England, they use the lemon curd, but they also use a Devonshire cream, which is very difficult to make because it takes a long time to make the Devonshire. So I've never tried to make that. I think that's one I'd kind of put off to the side. But the lemon curd is so quick and easy. The butter starts melting through it, and you're whisking it the whole time, so your eggs really do just blend in with everything else and do not curdle. Now I've been away for a while, and now I'm starting to get back to doing my videos. So I hope to share more cooking videos with you guys. I'm going to get this going here. It's going to take a little while to get it to where I want it. So I'm going to pause for a moment, and then I'll come back when it's almost ready. Okay everyone, it's already starting to thicken. I'm waiting for that first bubble, which shows that it's almost to boiling point. Then as soon as I see that, I will take it off and put it into a dish and show you the results. It is an absolutely simple, easy dish. It doesn't take any longer than up to 10 minutes, I think. And it's just now starting to bubble. So I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to pour it into this dish. And there we have it. We have a beautiful, rich, lemon curd that will continue to thicken as it cools. And it's such a delicious, yummy treat. And it's so easy to make, and you don't have to worry about corn products in it because I made it all corn-free with the products I use. So until next time, guys, take care of yourselves and stay safe. Wash those hands. We'll see you soon.